Welcome to day 9 of the 10-day series, 100 Daily Routine English Sentences. I am so incredibly proud of you for making it this far. You have shown amazing commitment to your English learning journey. Over the past 9 days, we have learned how to talk about our mornings, our afternoons, our weekends, our hobbies, our jobs, and our studies. We have built a powerful foundation for talking about our lives. Today, we are going to look forward. We will learn how to talk about the most exciting topic of all, our future plans and dreams. Learning to express your hopes and ambitions is not just good English practice. It's a way to make your dreams feel more real. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple, powerful secret that will help you turn your dreams into reality one English sentence at a time. Ready? Let's dream in English. Part 1. Expressing general dreams and hopes. Let's begin with the big picture. These are the phrases you can use to talk about your general hopes and dreams for the future. First, we will learn and understand each phrase one by one. Please repeat after me in the pause, and then I will explain the meaning of each sentence. I have a big dream for my future. This is a wonderful and powerful opening sentence. A big dream is a very important goal or hope that you have. It shows that you have ambition and that you think about your future. I want to have a happy and healthy life. This is a simple but very beautiful and universal goal. It focuses on the most important things, happiness and well-being. It's a very relatable and human thing to say. My main goal is to be successful. Your main goal is your most important objective, and successful is a great word because it can mean different things to different people. For some, it means having a lot of money. For others, it means having a happy family or a job they love. I hope to achieve my dreams someday. To achieve a dream means to successfully make it happen. The word someday is a perfect word to use for a future time that is not yet specified. It shows a feeling of hope. I believe that anything is possible. This is a very powerful mindset sentence. It shows that you are an optimistic person who believes in your own potential. It's a very inspiring thing to say. I'm working towards a better future. The phrasal verb to work towards something is excellent here. It means you are actively taking steps and making an effort to reach a future goal. It shows that you are not just dreaming, you are also doing. I want to make a positive difference in the world. To make a difference is a beautiful idiom that means to have a positive impact or effect on people or the world around you. This shows you have a very noble and inspiring goal. Shadowing practice, expressing general dreams and hopes. Perfect! You just learned 7 powerful sentences to talk about your big dreams. Now, let's practice them in our intensive shadowing block. I will say each phrase twice. Repeat after me in each pause. I have a big dream for my future. I have a big dream for my future. I want to have a happy and healthy life. I want to have a happy and healthy life. My main goal is to be successful. My main goal is to be successful. I hope to achieve my dreams someday. I hope to achieve my dreams someday. I believe that anything is possible. I believe that anything is possible. I'm working towards a better future. I'm working towards a better future. I want to make a positive difference in the world. I want to make a positive difference in the world. Part 2. Talking about specific goals. Now that we've talked about our big dreams, let's get more specific. This section is about your concrete goals for your career, your personal life, and your travels. Let's learn the phrases one by one. I want to find a better job. This is a very common and practical goal. A better job could mean one with a higher salary, a better boss, or more interesting work. I plan to start my own business. To start your own business is a very ambitious and exciting career goal. The verb plan to shows that this is a serious intention. I would love to travel the world. The phrase, I would love to, is a wonderful way to express a strong, heartfelt desire. It sounds a little more dreamy and passionate than, I want to. I hope to buy a house in the next 5 years. Adding a time frame, like in the next 5 years, makes your goal more specific and concrete. My dream is to live in another country. This is a very common dream for many English learners. It's a wonderful ambition that combines travel, culture, and language. I want to learn a new skill, like coding. This is a great goal for personal and professional development. Learning English is also learning a new skill. You can be very proud of that. I hope to get married and have a family. This is a very common and important personal life goal for many people around the world. I want to be healthy and strong. This is a goal related to your well-being. It's a reminder that success is not just about career or money, but also about taking care of your body and mind. Shadowing practice. Talking about specific goals. Excellent. Now, let's practice these phrases about your specific goals. Repeat each sentence once after me. I want to find a better job. I plan to start my own business. I would love to travel the world. I hope to buy a house in the next 5 years. My dream is to live in another country. I want to learn a new skill, like coding. I hope to get married and have a family. I want to be healthy and strong. Part 3. Making plans and taking action. Dreams and goals are wonderful, but they don't happen without a plan. This section is about the action steps you will take to make your dreams a reality. Next year, I'm going to save more money. The structure, I'm going to, is perfect for talking about a firm plan or intention for the future. This summer, I plan to take a short trip. A specific, short-term plan. I'm thinking about going back to school. The phrase, I'm thinking about, is a very natural way to talk about an idea or a possibility that is not a firm plan yet. My first step is to improve my English. This is a very relevant and important sentence for all of you. It identifies the very first action you need to take. I need to make a clear plan. A simple but very powerful sentence that shows you are ready to get organized and serious about your goal. I will start by setting small, achievable goals. Achievable is a great adjective that means possible to achieve. This is a very smart strategy for success. I'm going to work hard every day to achieve my dreams. A very strong and motivational statement of your commitment. Shadowing practice. Making plans and taking action. Fantastic. Now, let's practice these final phrases about taking action. Repeat each sentence once after me. Next year, I'm going to save more money. This summer, I plan to take a short trip. I'm thinking about going back to school. My first step is to improve my English. I need to make a clear plan. I will start by setting small, achievable goals. I'm going to work hard every day to achieve my dreams. Part 4. Real conversation practice. Incredible! Now that you have learned all these individual sentences about future plans and dreams, let's see how they can be used in a natural, flowing conversation. In this part, I will play both roles of a conversation between two friends, me, Sarah, and Mark, who are talking at a cafe about their futures. I want you to repeat each line after me in the pause to practice your rhythm and intonation. Let's go.
This has been such a nice afternoon. It's so good to finally relax.
I know. It makes me think about the future. What's a big dream you have, Sarah?
That's a deep question. Well, I would love to travel the world someday. My dream is to live in another country for a year, maybe Italy or Japan.
That sounds amazing. I hope you achieve that dream. For me, my main goal is to start my own business.
Really? That's so cool. What kind of business do you want to start?
I want to open a small coffee shop, a really cozy and friendly place. But I'm a little worried. I don't have a lot of money.
I understand, but I believe that anything is possible if you work hard.
Thanks, Sarah. So what's your plan? How are you going to make your travel dream happen?
Well, my first step is to save more money. Next year, I'm going to create a special savings account just for travel.
That's a smart plan. My first step is to improve my business skills. I'm thinking about taking an online course.
See? We both have a plan. We're working towards a better future.
You're right. It feels good to talk about it.
The final secret. Incredible. You've just mastered 25 essential sentences to talk about your future plans and dreams in English. And now, for the final secret I promised at the beginning, the simple, powerful secret that will help you turn your dreams into reality is this. Your words create your world. This is not just a motivational quote. It's a scientific fact. When you learn to speak about your dreams and goals in a clear, confident, and positive way, especially in a new language, you are doing something magical in your brain. You are transforming an abstract idea into a concrete plan. You are telling your subconscious mind, this is real. This is possible. When you say, I'm going to get a better job, or I will travel the world, you are no longer just a dreamer. You are a creator. You are taking the first, most important step toward making your future a reality. So, my final challenge to you is this. For today, I want you to write 3 sentences in the comments below describing one of your own future dreams. Use the powerful, positive language we learned today. Tell the world what you are going to do. Thank you for joining me on this incredible 9-day journey. It has been an honor to be your guide. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.